Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most elegant and powerful sedans of the year, the 2025 Toyota Crown. This car represents a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and Toyota's signature reliability, and in this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know before making a decision to buy. Starting from the outside, the 2025 Toyota Crown carries a bold and premium design that immediately stands out on the road. It features a sleek coupe-like silhouette with a refined and futuristic front grille that extends wide and low, giving it a commanding presence. The LED daytime running lights are seamlessly integrated, offering a sharp, confident look, while the 19 to 21-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim level, enhance its sporty character. The roofline gently slopes towards the rear, blending luxury and aerodynamics, while the taillights stretch across the entire back, creating a distinctive visual signature that looks even more stunning at night. Stepping inside, the Crown is nothing short of a premium experience. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and a refined layout that gives off a luxurious yet modern vibe. The centerpiece is the large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Toyota's latest software interface that's smoother and more responsive than ever before. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information with customizable views. Comfort is a top priority here, with heated and ventilated seats available for both front and rear passengers, along with dual-zone or even tri-zone climate control depending on the trim. Ambient lighting and noise insulation take the driving experience up a notch, making every ride feel first class. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown offers two powertrain options. The base version comes with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine that delivers a respectable 236 horsepower while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. But if you're looking for more excitement, there's the turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid max powertrain that pushes out 340 horsepower. It's paired with a direct shift 6-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth gear shifts and solid acceleration. The all-wheel drive system is intelligent and adjusts power delivery to each wheel as needed, providing strong grip and confidence in various driving conditions. Despite being a hybrid, the Crown delivers impressive performance, with responsive handling, a quiet ride, and the ability to go from 0 to 60 in just under 5.7 seconds for the Hybrid Max model. Toyota has done a great job tuning the suspension for both comfort and sportiness, making it ideal for both city cruising and highway trips. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Crown is loaded with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and reduce the risk of accidents. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Toyota Crown starts at around $41,000 for the entry-level XLE trim. The mid-level limited trim pushes the price to about $46,500, while the top-of-the-line Platinum trim with the Hybrid Max engine will cost you around $54,000. While that might seem like a premium price tag for a Toyota, it's important to note that the Crown is positioned as a luxury flagship sedan, offering features and performance that can rival more expensive European brands at a much more competitive cost. So, is the 2025 Toyota Crown worth it? If you're looking for a car that combines high-end design, smooth hybrid performance, and next-level comfort while still being practical and reliable, then this sedan absolutely deserves your attention. It's stylish without being flashy, powerful without being wasteful, and modern without being overcomplicated. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Toyota Crown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider the Crown for your next ride? Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.